Hello, AriTheGoddesss here. I hope you're all doing well today. May this message resonate with you. May you always use true discernment within every message. May the divine guide you and bring you the truth, the wisdom, and the clarity that is needed for your life, for your journey, for this moment. Thank you all so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your positive energy. And thank you for your listening. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So the first card that we have out here is time out. So you may be guided in time to take a time out. You could have just taken a time out and spent time in nature, or this is significant for someone to take time out and spend more time in nature. The number 32 could be significant. The number 23 can be significant. I'm getting like take time out and show gratitude to nature, because that's the next card that just came out was gratitude. I'm also getting like take time out to see just how far you've come. Take time out for the wisdom and the sacred energy that you have between you and nature. Yeah, with free spirit here. I'm getting like this has helped you. Spending time in nature has helped you feel more grateful and more free spirited. Yes, and it's helped you also with compassion. It helps you. I'm getting like gain a lot of wisdom on situations, and it helps you also to learn to be more grateful, and it also has opened your heart, helped you close out a lot of cycles and open up your heart. The number 10 could be significant. You could be seeing the numbers 1010, very much significant for you at this moment and at this time. Shadow self. I'm getting like also like with this shadow self card, there's I'm getting also like with this shadow self card, there's a need to take time out so that you can focus on the shadow self. The number 28 could be significant. The number 82 could be significant. The number 10, 2 plus 8 is here. It's significant. I'm getting like take the time out to close out the fear when it comes to your shadow self. There's something about your shadow self that you're being guided to take out the time to focus on. There's some fears that may need to be closed out when it comes to your shadow self. There's some truth within, knowledge within. The number 6 can be significant. That you may be afraid to create, share, or bring to life with your shadow self. And I'm getting like there's a need to take time. I'm getting like when you spend time in nature, this is going to help you. But I'm also getting like you're being guided to allow whatever fears that come up when it comes to your shadow self. I'm getting like a balanced energy, and whatever it is that you're going to break free from, whatever it is that you're going to be breaking free from and becoming fearless with this celebration card here and the number 6 at the top, it's going to help bring in a lot of like celebration for you. There's something that you're going to be celebrating. I'm getting like celebrating you, celebrating your authenticity. There's something like celebrating that, knowing that you can be authentic. Yeah, as I said, being fearless. Guess what just came out? Be fearless. So it's like you're celebrating you even knowing your shadow self. I'm getting like not to be afraid of. I'm just focused on this card because it's like not being afraid of your shadow self. There's something significant about 28. You could be 28, or I see the numbers 222 as well. 222 could be significant. Maybe something happened when you were 28. Maybe a lot of shadows may have came up when you were 28. You've been just, healing and moving through them. But I'm getting like in this time, you're being guided to like close out those fears when it comes to your shadow self and allow yourself to break free so that you can be in this free spirited energy. so that you can be in this fearless energy as well. Because I have your celebration and be fearless. Mother Earth just wanted to come out. Yeah, because I'm getting also like when you spend more and more time in nature, it helps you with that. And I just saw Mother Earth. It really wanted to come out, but it didn't. Shine. Yeah, shine is here. So I have a shadow self celebration. Be fearless. Shine. Yeah, you're breaking free from living. There we go. That's what I've been trying to get at. You're breaking free from living in your shadow. There we go. You're breaking free from that. You're closing out that cycle, and you're learning to honor yourself no matter what. You know, you may know that you may have some flaws, or you may know it, but I'm getting like even this has helped you become who you are. Yeah, and you're gonna be celebrating. I'm getting like celebrate how far you've come, and you're being guided to be in this fearless energy and shine. The number 29 can be significant. The number 11 can be significant. Shine on this path and know that you're on the right path. Yeah, there's souls that are mirroring the same thing as you. There's souls that are mirroring you. I have here mirror souls. There's souls that have the same heart and the same vision, that may have went through the same or similar path as you. Yeah, mirror souls is here. I have here stagnant waters, feeling stuck, a call for shift, flow, and change. I'm getting like you're moving forward in this time. You may have felt stuck, but you may be guided to, allow yourself also to drink more water. You may be also in this time be guided to spend time in nature near water. And as the water, flows, I'm getting like allow your energy to flow as well. So that you can get out of this stuck energy, so that you can shift and be in flow, so that you can move forward. I have here the sirens. The sirens, use your voice, expansion, freedom. So there's something very significant about your voice. You could be a singer. You don't have to be, but there's something with your voice. You could be a singer. You could be someone who speaks. That could be confirmation if you just heard that horn. But wow, I have here the uncall, healer, seer, priest, priestess, priestex, soul purpose. There's something about your voice that you're expanding in this time. There's something about your voice you're going to be celebrating. There's something about your voice. Confirmation again. This message is for someone. If you just heard that horn, there's something that even if this isn't like with your voice, there's something that you express in a beautiful way. That is a part of your expansion, a part of your freedom, and a part of others' expansion and freedom as well. Again, like this is what you're moving towards, or this is what you're learning about yourself. You also could be a healer, a seer, priestess, priestex, and this is part of your soul purpose. Your voice is healing. You speak on the things that you see. Something about your voice. You are a healer. You're a seer. There's something that you speak on that heals people, or there's something that you see. Follow the stream. Dedication, trust, future rivers and oceans. Yeah, you're being guided to dedicate yourself to this and to trust in this time. Follow the stream. Remember, I was saying, like, as you allow yourself to be near water, and watch the flow of the water, you can align that with your life and trust, and know that it's going to take you where you are needing to go. Again, like trusting yourself, Trust in divine. Trust in source. I'm getting also trust in the elements. Yes, Silky. Come out of hiding. Embrace who you are, who you really are. So, wow, guess what this card fell on? It fell on shadow self. Yeah, you could have been hiding because you know that you have, like, because you feel as though, like, you have flaws. Because you may know you have this shadow self. And you may be afraid. But even this card says, embrace who you really are. Embrace the shadow self. Wow, I said that earlier. It says, come out of hiding. Embrace who you really are. Then I have here, bounteous, generally given, relationships coming together. Wow, that fell on celebration. Then I have here, into the unknown, underworld, depth, courage, facing your fears. And that's on Be Fearless. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm getting like in this time you're being guided to come out of hiding, embrace who you really are, embrace your shadow self. And, you know, because, you know, as you do this, you know, you're going to be in this giving energy, and you're going to be coming together to those who you're meant to come together with, such as relationships, friendships, different opportunities. I'm getting like new beginnings, you know. And you're going to be in this energy of, you know, being fearless, facing your fears, courageously doing things, learning your depths. I'm getting like honoring your depths of who you are, not just learning them, honoring them. You knowing that you have many depths of you, and just honoring that. I spoke of that before. Wow, then I have here clearing waters, clear vision, confirmation, right timing, opportunity. And guess what that's on? Shine. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Clear vision, confirmation, right timing, opportunity. This is all coming together for you. Gentle force, consistency, persistence, patience, the long game. I'm getting like this is part of the divine plan. I'm getting like this is part of the divine plan. Not only are you are in this as well, moving forward, there's other souls as well. Making waves, momentum is building. It's your time achievement. This is what's happening for you. Wow. Wow, I'm talking to someone who has like consistency. You have that consistent energy, that persistent energy, patient energy. This is something you had to learn as you awaken, as you grew. And so you know how to have that externally as well. This is a reminder for you to have that externally as well when it comes to, you know, your opportunities, the right timing, your vision. Making waves, momentum is building. It's your time achievement, yeah. And I have here the sacred well, replenishment, self-care, giving from a place of plenty. Wow, so this is what's happening for you. And it's also a time to replenish yourself as well. You're going to be able to replenish, have more self-care, and give from a place of plenty. Then I have here the water carrier, what really matters, reflect, reprioritize. So you may be guided in this time to ask yourself what really matters in this time and to reflect. I knew I was going to see this card, water. Water is very significant in this time. Moving forward energy. If you got it, like I said, in this time to drink more water. Cleanse with water. Spiritual baths. I just saw great on the bottom of the deck. Just saw I see transmute. getting like you're moving forward and you're transmuting energy. Yeah, with your abilities. I see your abilities here. And star power. Get one card instead of 10. Let's see. And 10 still keeps coming out. See spiritual realm. There's a lot happening on the spiritual realm. There's a lot happening in the spiritual realm. I have your bliss. Bliss just came out. Answers. Getting like you have the answers. You have the answers to a lot of what people are wanting to know. Being guided to trust it. I just saw the card trust. So far I have water, bliss, and answers. You could be in this energy of bliss. I'm getting like your voice is very blissful. Yeah, because that's on use your voice, expansion, and freedom. Yeah, you could be in this blissful energy. When you use your voice, this may help you be in like a blissful energy. Grace. Grace is here. Getting like you're being guided in this time to give yourself more grace along this journey. It's all coming together. I just saw laugh. Prosperity. Miracle. Miracle just came out. I'm getting like you are a miracle. Then I have her surrender that just came out. Nature, tea, home. There could be a miracle when it comes to a home. Like I'm getting like you have a miracle home. There's a miracle coming with your stability. That message may be for someone. I'm getting, so I have here miracle, surrender, nature, tea, and home. I'm getting like you're being guided in this time to surrender to this new path and to be in this blissful energy and to trust in your dreams, trust in your vision. I'm getting also with this nature card here, nature has answers. You may be guided in this time to drink more tea, or you could be into tea. Tea is significant. I'm getting like, yeah, and then you know how the saying, I have the tea. So it's like you have the answers. Nature has the tea. Because, you know, tea came after nature. So it's like nature has the tea. Nature has the answers. But like I said, tea is significant for someone. Something to do with home. You could be a person that could be at home a lot, and you may be guided to like come out of hiding when it comes to home. You may isolate yourself and spend a lot of time at home. You may be guided to like come out of hiding and embrace who you really are. Yeah, because like you're coming into alignment with, you know, a lot of stuff is coming together for you when you embrace who you really are, when you come out of hiding and embrace your shadow self. I'm getting like get out of your mind, because I have your mind here that just came out. Like get out of your head meaning like to allow yourself to not continue to overthink. I just saw write, so you may be guided to write in this time. Freestyle writing is what I get, so that you can, it went ahead and came out, so that you can express and get whatever it is that it needs to come out. Yeah, with extraordinary here and healer. Yeah, you're extraordinary. This is something that you're learning more and more each and every day. And you're learning that you're a healer. You may be guided to read more books in this time, or you could be reading a book. There's a book when it comes to your, I'm getting like there's a book that you read that helps you with your mind. Or a book about something with the mind is significant. So I have here, Write Extraordinary Healer Book Cure. I'm also getting with this book, you may be writing something when it comes to a cure. You could be writing something when it comes to like nature in a cure. Smart is here. Your name could be Smart. Could be considered as smart, like very smart. You're like there, because I have your Mind Right Extraordinary. I have your Home Mind Right Extraordinary Healer Book Cure Smart. There's a book about a cure that is being written, or that you could be reading. You could be writing a book about a cure. There's a lot of things that you know about a cure, that you know about nature, that you know about healing, that you know about cure, that you know about the mind. You're being guided to honor yourself in this time, to know that you're very unique. It's a unique way that you do it. Yeah, it's the way that you do it. I have here people, places, and things, potent flow. Yeah, you're a healer. You heal people, environments, and things. You go to places. You're a healer that may go to different places. That's very potent. Yeah, unexpected gifts here. Wow. You may heal people in their home. You're a healer that brings many miracles. You may heal through water. There's a book that you may read that's very potent, that has a lot of information. I'm getting like when you write, you're in flow. You just flow. You may write in nature. You could be a light worker. And have your star power as well. Yeah. You could be a writer, and you could, like, when you're in nature, you could just flow. And it helps bring answers to problems that you may have had. With unexpected gifts here, you're realizing just how smart and extraordinary you are. I'm getting like you're honoring it more. You're realizing how unique you are. Also, you may get like unexpected gifts when it comes to the things that you create, the things that you do, or you just may be a person that just get unexpected gifts from people. But you're a light worker. You have a lot of star power. I'm getting like also like when there's a book that you're writing, it's very potent, and it's giving like star power energy. And I'm also getting like from this light worker, you help heal people, places, and things just with your energy. You could be a healer and you don't even know it. Just your energy alone is healing. And that's why you may be guided to get out of your home, embrace your shadow self, and to know that you're a miracle. And like I said, someone heals through water. Or water heals you. So it's a lot in this message. Balance is here. Wow, remember I said honor yourself. Honor yourself. It's a lot of cards that fell out. They fell out upright. So I'm going to go ahead and get them. I have here star power, balance, honor yourself. Remember I was saying that earlier. Then I have here barber, truth, confidence. So it could be also like with this barber energy, you could be realizing you're a light worker and a healer. You may have been at home. You may have been in isolation, staying at home, and may have been afraid to embrace your shadow self. But you're realizing that you're a light worker, or this message is for you to know that you're a light worker and you help heal people, places, and things. This is the truth. Remember, truth came out. And, you're gaining confidence in this time. Being guided to honor yourself. Wow. So I'm going to get the overall message. Like I said, I like doing these cards, like with the index card, because it speaks to different people. I just saw travel at the bottom of the deck. Okay, get the one that's upright. It says calmness. Oh, okay. It's 3 upright. It says calmness, enjoyment, and ambition. All right. I just feel like I should get at least like 2 more because they were all flipped over at the same time. Let me get 2 more. 2 more overall messages. All right. I have sanctuary. 1 more. So we're going to have 5 in total. So this is going to be like the 4th messages, positivity. This is going to be like the 4th message that I post. So this is one of many. I just want you all to know that. So that you can know that there's other messages that are being posted today. Well, I honestly don't know what's the order that these messages are gonna post as well. So if you are liking the messages, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can also turn on like the notification bell so that you can know when I post these messages. All right, so I have here calmness, enjoyment, ambition, sanctuary, and positivity. Calmness. The inner divine is the witness of all, remaining still and quiet even during intense turbulence. So take a deep breath and then say, quiet my mind, may your peaceful calm take over. Enjoyment. Striving and pushing makes life into endless hard work. The more you're inviting love to take over, the more enjoyment comes. Allow me to enjoy this life. Wow. Ambition. May I offer all my deepest longings to love itself. Invite a divine plan beyond the mind's imagining. Please use me for the highest God. Oh, no, it said highest good. Sanctuary. A sanctuary resides inside you no matter what is happening. This inner temple beckons you to enter. Take a deep breath, enter, and sit down on the throne of your own heart. Positivity. If you can find even one thing to be grateful for, it will restore you to the light. Please, dear God, let me always feel gratitude for something, even a tiny thing in even the hardest situations. Wow, I really hope that this message resonated with you all. Sending you so much love and light. May you get it through the wind. Thank you.